Hi everybody, this is Gerald Worley's at the Natural Health Improvement Center, and today I have Nikki who has an amazing success story. So Nikki, if you can share with our audience a little bit of what you had when you first started working with us.
Okay, so I guess my main complaints were pretty severe hot flashes that it would interfere with work. I work with clients as well, so that's pretty embarrassing. Hot flashes during the day and during the night, so interrupted sleep, exhaustion, fatigue, tiredness, having to take naps throughout the day, some digestive issues, and some left knee pain, a little bit of everything. Worked really hard on all this sort of stuff, but really wasn't getting anywhere, and really had a goal of getting off my hormones and my thyroid prescription medicine.
Okay, so a lot of health problems, and with the goal of eventually one day living unmedicated. And where are you now? Where are all those symptoms? Do you still have those symptoms, and where are you with your medication usage?
I would say my hot flashes are 95% better. My sleep is dramatically better. If I do wake up during the night, I go back to sleep, which is fantastic. I fall asleep quickly. I wake up feeling rested, about 75%, still got a little way to go on that, but much, much better. I am off all my hormones, which I'm so happy, thyroid and sex hormones, so that is huge for me. So kind of working towards now building my thyroid back up so that it can function on its own without any help. So it's great, very happy.
Yeah, well, we made recommendations, you followed them, you did all the work, and you're getting tremendous results. I want to give you a high five.
Thank you.
You did all the great work. So if you are dealing with any health challenge that you want to address the root cause, come visit us at nhicenter.com.